Hey guys, so I got this log. I think it's a mulberry, but I'm not actually sure. I didn't see the tree. I'm gonna carve something out of it. I'm gonna start with a bare rough out and then just see where it takes me. So I hope you enjoy. It's kind of gonna be a time lapse with some music in the background. Enjoy. I'm gonna give him some eyes now. I've got these little plastic ones. I'm not exactly sure where I should put it. Obviously somewhat equal and on the same height. Never done this before. Not being able to draw doesn't really help, so I'm just gonna wing it and hope that the center of the eye draw them in with a pencil actually. I mean, I guess it's not the worst. Let me just commit. I'm going to be using this drill bit. It's 18 millimeters, probably way too big for the size head, but it's what I have. Let me just turn this towards me. Okay, so whereas one eye is higher than the other, unfortunately that happens. I can try and fix it, but that's quite scary. Let's just pop those in over there quick, just like that. Even though they're not ready, let's have a look at how that looks. That's a little bit funny. Find orange. I sadly didn't have any blue. I don't even know what flow acrylic is. So let's hope it sticks to plastic. I'm gonna just paint the back of this eye. Okay. I guess orange is kind of cool. Okay, and I just have some brown varnish brown stained varnish. Just gonna wing it and see how it comes out.
Let's take the temperature of the room, shall we? Did a demon coming through the back?
So what do you think? It's pretty cool. It kind of is a bear, I don't know. Maybe a meerkat bear. Either way, I think it came out quite cool. I didn't pay attention to where the crack was in the log before the time, but I suppose so you learn. It's kind of cool. It kind of gives it some cool character. This is the back. Gave him a nice long body. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I know it was a little bit long. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell, you know. I'll see you in another one.